working as assistant professor in Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to see about the 5S implementation case study. How the 5S concept is used in the practical application. See, first we are into the case study. We must know what is 5S. So 5S is a lean tool that is used to organize workspace for efficiency and effectiveness by identifying and storing the item, used maintaining the area, and items sustaining the raw order. So that 5S concept is, we have the 5 different set of principle. First is sort, then set of order, then sustain, standardize, and sustain. So these 5S principle, while implementing in any organization, that for effective utilization of resources and the effectiveness of the workspace. And yes, already we discussed, we have 5 S's. That is, first one is start, then set in order, sign, and standardize, then sustain. So this 5S principle is firstly implemented in the Japan. So these parameters are in Sherry, Seton, Cisco, and then Seisketsu, then Sitsuke. So these terms are derived in the Japanese language. And then next, this 5S principle is implemented in the NIFT library office, and for effective utilization of the workspace, and then how we are going to align the books in the library in the proper manner. In the first one, we have start. So what is the existing problem? So for the problem is book and tables not organized. Then second one is difficult to find the required books, because in this before implementing the start, we have seen the books are arranged in a not proper manner. So what is the action taken? So removed unwanted items and sort and arrange the books. So in that, after implementing the sort principle, we are in the result of clean space, and then more space for work, and then easy to find any books. So see here, the before implementing the sort and after implementation of the sort. So we have the arrange, each books are arranged in the proper manner, and right. And the next is set in order. What is the problem? Misplaced items, and then difficult to identify location, then limited working area. So what the action we are taking? They are arranging the items accordingly, and then result in clean workspace, a defined location for each items. So we see before and after. In the before, all the items are misplaced, and then after it is arranged in order. Yes, we have discussed. So before short, set in order, the books are misplaced. Then after set in implementation of 5S concept, so see here we have labeled each item to find the location of where it is placed. Next is sign. Third one is the problem is missed workplace, unwanted papers and garbage. The action, what is the action to be taken? Clean the workplace, throw the unwanted papers and garbage. The result is cleaner workspace and a working area. So before we have this, see here the unwanted materials and the chairs are not properly arranged. So after implementation of the 5S principle, we see the chairs and the books are arranged in a proper manner, and then there is no unwanted papers or material is not in the tables. So next is standardize. The fourth one is standardize. So what is the problem? No standard or defined place for any items, and then things lies here, there, at workplace, and then other area. So it is not properly arranged, right? We have placed at whatever it will be taken. Then what is the action taken? Standardize the working area, a defined place for each item. So we have to fix the particular place for each items. So result is easy to find things at workplace, and then no unwanted miss at workplace, right? So we have to fix the particular place for the each item, and then that is before standardize. and then after standardizing means we have fixed the place for each item, so including water bottle or the calculator and mobile and the system. And then for fifth one is sustain. So once we have implemented above four principles, and that four 5S principles, so that fifth one is we have to sustain those four in order to have the effective and efficient workplace in the industry, right? So after implementation of above four phases of 5S, the last phase is to sustain the above four phases. So we have to maintain, right? Yes. So in this video, we have discussed the 5S principle implementation in the NIFT library office. So we will see in the next video with the other case study concept. Thank you.